in 2026 and the coming intakes, what do you think how the European market will grow?
Marketing, finance, IT, cybersecurity, data analytics. I think these are the top 5, 6 programs, and you will get the job anywhere in the world.
लोगों का mindset in India, even parents or students, that when you talk about कि किसी की फीस कम है, तो क्या they are compromising with the quality of education?
There are few reasons why actually people prefer Budapest as a destination also, because you can see all the multinational companies there. So IBS is very well known when it comes to providing the placements.
What type of jobs are available for international students?
If I'll have to talk about IBS, we are providing a dual degree. So you will have a European degree plus you will have a University of Buckingham UK degree.
Hungary को अगर हम compare करें, can we compare it with Dubai as well?
IBS students, so nearly I've not seen anybody earning less than 1,200 to 1,500 as their starting pay scale.
इसमें scholarships कितनी हैं?
We do have a scholarships available and scholarships up to 100% also available.
Hungary has a mindset कि वो बहुत सारे medical students बहुत आते हैं जाते हैं वहाँ पे Indians. So why it is that?
First of all, for IBS we have more than 98% visa success ratio. आज के टाइम पे UK में 1500 या 2000 यूरो का स्टूडेंट के लिए जॉब लेना मुश्किल हो रहा है, you know. बट सेम चीज़ अगर बच्चा बुडापेस्ट में देख रहा है तो उसको मिल पा रही है जॉब.
हमारा तो शुरू से ही एक्सेप्टेंस रेट ये रहा है कि if somebody is coming in our company for counseling, even for UK any country, we have 100% acceptance rate of interview.
As of now, हंगरी इमिग्रेशन का 9 months का था कि 9 months PSW plus IBS also provides 6 months additional PSW.
How Hungary has started inviting international students and what are the numbers from India they are inviting. So welcome to the podcast of Trans Global Overseas Education. Today we have a very special guest, Miss Anjum. She is the regional manager of IBS Hungary. And Anjum, welcome to the podcast.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
And today, if I'm not wrong, it will be a great day for us having you here. And I'm sure when this podcast will be live, we have a huge surge of applications for Hungary because
Yes.
people wanted to know more about Europe, the life in Hungary, corporate life, student life.
Right.
And when it comes from you, it is a ground reality. You're not just sitting here and speaking because you've been there, you stay there. And when I was talking to you, you said that you're traveling 10 months in an entire year.
Yeah.
So you know the ground reality of each and everything.
Mhm.
So today you have to, brief. We will have questions about the life, student life, corporate life, job market, fee structure, scholarships, international students. And it will be all based on Europe, and especially we are talking about Budapest and Hungary.
Yeah.
So you are traveling for quite a long now in 2026.
Yeah.
What do you see when you counsel students? What is their mindset
Mhm.
and how do they think about studying in Europe? And when you pitch that you are, come to study in Hungary, what is the mindset these days?
So first of all, thank you so much, Kush, for inviting me, and it's absolutely a pleasure to sit with you and talk about Hungary.
Yeah.
So it's a great question, and when I see in 2026, so mindset is definitely very different when it comes to, so they are not more into like what's trending, and either they want to go to US, UK, or a top 4, top 5. So no, it's not there. Now they are more of a reality sort of students where they will see where they can get a maximum ROI, and they have enough knowledge, and they are knowledgeable. They know what is best for them. And even now when I always say, don't go by what I'm saying, but you also do your research as well. And I'm glad that students, they are doing their own research as well. So when I talk about the Budapest, I always say you go and do your research as well. So it's good that in 2026 students are more practical and they know what is good for them, and they are not just hearing it from the people. So they want to go ahead, what is practical and what is the ground reality. Yeah.
So this is the story, earlier days when we talk about study abroad.
Yeah.
So Anjum, can you tell me brief about your, the journey of study abroad and how do you started getting into IBS?
Oh, it's a long journey into the education and also with IPS. So I started working since 2011 in the education when I was a student myself. I was in the year one. So I started with Amity University. So there I used to handle there Dubai and UK, but as a counselor position. And then in 2013 or 14, I joined IPS as well. So where I started my company and then IPS came in the picture. So it's a really long time, more than a decade that I am working with IPS. So
Okay.
yes, I know very closely.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, Anjum, last year or even I would say 2023, when we counsel students, तो उनका जो mindset है, which is all five major countries,
Yeah.
and if I talk about these days, 2025 say,
Yeah.
it has been changed.
Yeah.
I would say lot.
Yeah.
And अभी जो counseling students they are coming to us, they wanted to know,
Yeah.
they are very keen to know about European countries.
Right.
और उसी के लिए when you come in the picture,
Yeah.
when you came into our office and you wanted to tell us more about Hungary. तो उसके बारे में I wanted to know that how this, because usually when student talk about Europe, वो वही Germany, Spain, Italy,
Yes.
Latvia, Lithuania,
Yeah.
ये countries पहले they were doing lot of international applications.
Yeah.
और अब suddenly when we talk about Hungary, so how Hungary has changed, I mean how Hungary has started inviting international students,
Yeah.
and what are the numbers from India they are inviting. So uska क्या goal है, I mean in if I talk about student who are looking to study in Hungary,
Yeah.
so how Hungary is inviting students.
Okay. See, our campus is located in the Budapest. So Budapest have always been known for the tourism purpose.
Correct.
So कभी किसी को इतना पता नहीं था कि Budapest में you can actually have a good universities as well. हालांकि आपको oldest university से लेके the best of the private business school you can see in the Budapest. Also you can see all multinational companies as well. But लोगों में उतनी अवेयरनेस नहीं है जैसे पहले टॉप 5 कंट्रीज का रहता था उसके बाद यूरोप में देन इट्स ऑल अबाउट लाइक जर्मनी फ्रांस सो जब इंफॉर्मेशन ही नहीं होती है तो देन यू डोंट नो मच अबाउट दैट कंट्री बट आई एम हैप्पी नाउ दैट students and education partners they are more attracted towards Hungary and there are few reasons why actually people prefer Budapest as a destination also because you can see all the multinational companies there. So if I'll have to talk about IBS is the only university located inside the business park. Business park mein around 60 to 70 multinational companies already hai. So if you will just walk like for a minute from our IBS classrooms, you can see Microsoft building, okay, SAP, Graphisoft, all these buildings, they are just a minute walking distance. Microsoft CEO and CFO of Budapest branch, they both are IBS alumni. Graphisoft marketing head is an IBS alumni. Google Europe CEO is an IBS alumni. So IBS is very well known when it comes to providing the placements. But in general also Budapest is really good when it comes to the placements. And if I'll tell you my top 2 reasons why if I have to suggest anyone that you should choose the Budapest. So whenever you think of the Europe, and I think the first question that comes in the mind is the language barrier. Okay. Do we have to learn the local language to survive? So, but if you will choose Budapest, so the answer is no. If you know English, you can survive very well. Okay. You don't need in the day-to-day life a local language because Budapest is a place where you will see people coming from around the globe. In IBS, we have 134 nationalities.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like a truly international. And second is the safest. Even for a woman, if I'll have to give my example, if I want to walk 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock in the night all by myself, I can walk. I don't think so you can walk like this freely in any other European country.
So Hungary, Budapest, it is in Hungary. So when we talk about Budapest, because this university is located at Budapest,
yeah.
तो हमने तो इसको we have only seen for shootings, Bollywood and all.
Yes.
So what type of corporate culture, what type of jobs are available for international students? Mm-hmm. Or usually when students talk about studying in there, तो क्या programs are famous for European nations? Because health है, IT है, they are famous for all the countries.
Right.
But what is special about this Hungary and Budapest?
Okay. See, Budapest, first of all, it's you can see, of course, as you said, like you've always seen in the movies. So Budapest, known as the heart of Europe, because it's that beautiful. Everybody used to come to Budapest just for the tourism purpose. Now that they realize about the education as well. So if I'll have to talk about IBS, we are providing a dual degree. So you will have a European degree, plus you will have a University of Buckingham UK degree.
Okay.
So if you'll go to UK for the same degree, you will end up paying maybe 3 times or 4 times more. Okay, but अगर वही degree आप IBS में लेते हो, so you will get it in just 1/3 of the price.
Alright.
Secondly, placements are available. A lot of placements are available. Budapest is a place where you will have more opportunities for the full-time jobs comparatively to the part-time jobs.
Yeah.
This is the reason we have allowed the master students to work full-time and attend their classes in the evening. Because, and when I talk about the full-time job opportunities, I mean the white collars job.
Yeah.
So you can see Morgan Stanley is there, KPMG is there, and IBS itself, we have so many corporate partners and we provide placements to these students. And even if students, or even if you will also search online, you will see that the placement opportunities in Budapest is 70% higher than the other cities. So of course, it's, I think, I'll sum up here
Okay.
in terms of the opportunities.
When we talk about the education in Europe,
Yeah.
or Hungary hai, Budapest hai, where the universities are located. Now, when we talk about the fees affordability,
Yeah.
so हमने देखा है कि यार, I was reading the fees is between 6 to 7,000 euros if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
So लोगों का mindset in India, even parents or students, ये बहुत सारे questions भी आने वाले हैं that
Yeah.
when you talk about कि किसी की fees कम है,
Yeah.
तो क्या they are compromising with the quality of education, or are they compromising with कि भाई वहाँ पे सिर्फ पढ़ने चले गए, jobs नहीं मिली,
Mhm.
और आई वांटेड टू नो मोर अबाउट कोर्स स्पेसिफिक, कि अगर आप वो डिस्क्राइब करो कि कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट्स जिसके लिए ये कंट्री full on invitation where people can definitely get a job,
Yeah.
and more about the wage rate there, so
Yeah.
that will be more knowledgeable, I mean.
Right. I'm happy actually that everything is available online, that even if I say anything,
Yeah.
they can cross check online. Okay. And I think this is the best thing. So I will not say that, we don't, we have these many things in Budapest and end up that it's not there or something like this, especially the courses. So if I'll have to talk about the courses, we have a very hand-picked courses. I personally believe that marketing, finance, IT, cybersecurity, data analytics, I think these are the top 5-6 programs.
Yeah.
And you will get the job anywhere in the world if you have these
Very true.
these specializations, if you did it. So in IBS we have AI and cybersecurity, we got a marketing, strategic business management, you can go for a finance. Our finance is ranked top 100 in the world ranking for the 5th consecutive year. And the wage rate starts, if I'll have to talk about the IBS students, so nearly I've not seen anybody earning less than 1,200 to 1,500 as their starting pay scale.
Okay.
Yes. So because IBS is so well known for the placements, even अगर किसी कंपनी में, कोई भी मल्टीनेशनल कंपनी है, अगर वहाँ रिक्वायरमेंट होती है तो उनका IBS ही एक फर्स्ट स्टॉप होता है, that they'll come to the IBS and they will inform us about the opportunities and then we inform our students. So placements definitely बहुत हाई है. अगर आप ऑनलाइन चेक करोगे तो it says 600 to 800 as a starting wage rate, but nothing less than 1,200 student will get it in the full time placement. Best part ये भी है कि वहाँ का living expense बहुत affordable है. So if you will stay outside, 300 to 400 may you will get your good accommodation, and then food, even if you'll go for a ready-made food, 3 to 4 euros may you can get your one-time meal. So कई बार ऐसा होता है कि students जो होते हैं वो मतलब they don't want to cook and they will buy from outside
Very
because
true.
it's so affordable. And apart from this, there is one monthly travel card as well. Earlier it used to be for 10 euros. Now I'm not sure like how much they will charge
Okay.
now because they changed the government 2 days back.
Very
So it's like 10 euros the monthly they can travel in all public transports.
Okay.
So more than 500 euros it will not come, including your accommodation, food, everything. So it's very affordable as well. Yeah.
So when we talk about placements,
Yeah.
India में तो ये है कि college में they full on tell you on the brochure that once you study here, आपके पास जो है you will there will be a drive in the campus. You can
Yes.
go for the interview.
Yes.
And if I talk about other Western countries,
Yeah.
which is UK, Canada, US.
Yeah, they don't have
वहाँ
this
पर they
concept.
don't have
Yeah, they
these
don't
kind
have
of
this concept.
culture.
Yeah,
They simply say that you have to attend a lot of job events or even
yeah,
like fairs.
yeah,
अगर बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी है तो they will
right.
make sure that वहाँ पे job fairs हैं. And then they have given a kind of a post study work visa
Yeah,
to fetch your job according to your
right.
course. So what is the culture in Hungary for full-time jobs? I mean, once the student finish the course.
Okay, so I would like to answer your first question
Yeah.
regarding the campus placements.
Yeah.
So I think IBS stands out here, and we organize the placement fair. So bachelor students will sit in the 5th semester, and master students will sit in the 3rd semester. And
Okay.
sometimes twice a year we organize a placement fair in our Budapest campus only. So where students can come, and we have a signed corporate partner. So it's not that one or two companies will come. Of course, a lot of companies. We very well mention the name of the companies as well in the
Yeah.
in our brochure as well. So all these companies, they will come and they will recruit the student, and they will give the joining contract to the student provided that they complete their degree.
Correct.
And about the second thing, as in the placements and how much pay, like the job
Yeah.
market is
Culture
there,
and all.
culture. So see, as I say, like the top bosses in the multinational companies that are there in the Budapest, they all are foreigners.
Okay.
They are non-Hungarian. So this is also one of the reasons that they don't prefer only the Hungarian language in the office. And the culture is very, I can say, very multicultural, because all our foreigners are there, even the bosses to all the staff,
Very
they are
true.
working. They all are like foreigners. So yes, so the culture is like really good. There is no room for racism in Budapest. So this is
Okay.
also one of the great thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So when we talk about the Hungarians, uh, if I remember when I went to Europe, वहाँ पर अगर किसी को इंग्लिश आ भी रही है, but वो they prefer their local language, very
Yeah,
frankly
yeah,
speaking.
yeah.
If I specifically talk about Germany or Spain,
Yes,
Italy,
yes.
so people are helpful. I'm not saying that,
Yeah.
but they prefer
Their
always
local
to
language.
their local language.
Yeah.
और फिर वो when you go for a job market, I mean the full time or even part time में तो struggle हो ही जाता है, but full time also.
Hmm.
So what about Hungary?
Yes, so Hungary, you don't need the local language. And this is one of my favorite reason why I always prefer Budapest, why I always encourage students to go to the Budapest, because I know that if you'll go to the other countries, we do have a campus in Vienna as well.
Okay.
So it's not that I am being biased that because we have a campus, so I'm saying we do have a campus in the Vienna as well. But I always say that even in the Vienna campus, you need to learn the local language, like a German language, in case you need a full-time job.
Okay.
But in the Budapest, you don't need, because we need to understand that why it's like this and why they don't need the local language is because all the companies that are based there, majority of companies are MNCs, and the people who are working in those companies, they all are from a different nationalities. So there is no one particular nationality I can say that this nationality dominates there. It's not that. So if I'll have to talk about India, we recruit close to 300 to 500 students in a year from India.
Okay, that's
so
a good
it's a great number. Yes, it's a great number. So all we say to our students is that you need to focus on your studies really well. In case if you're looking for something which is like if you're a career oriented student, then you please focus on your studies. Do not compromise on your studies just because you want to earn simultaneously while you are studying. Especially for the bachelor students, I don't encourage them too much to work. Although of course there are jobs available, they can go for a job, but ultimately their goal should be to get a white collar job towards the end, because then they can get their ROI within a year only.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Hungary को अगर हम compare करें, can we compare it with Dubai as well? Because Dubai का culture और Hungary का, if I'm comparing
yes,
it,
yes,
it is
so
quite the
true.
same.
Yes, even safety wise also, because I stay
Yeah,
most of
that
the
is
time
the reason.
Dubai as
Yeah.
well. Yes, so I have a habit of going alone everywhere in
Yeah.
Dubai. So अगर रात को 12 बजे भी जाना है, 1 बजे भी जाना है, so I don't mind. I
Yeah.
can go, I can walk alone. Same thing I experience in Budapest as well. So अगर मुझे 11 बजे 12 बजे अगर मुझे ब्रिज पर जाना है या मुझे इधर उधर कहीं वॉक करनी है, so I can go of course and I can walk, even if I have to take my e-scooter and if I have to go in the Budapest somewhere रात में, so I can go, I can travel easily. It's
And
very
then
safe.
multicultural people
It's
are
very
there,
multicultural.
and
Yes.
English का barrier नहीं है. I
Yes.
mean, sorry, the local language का
language
barrier
barrier.
नहीं है.
Yeah.
So that is a we always when we counsel students, they do ask.
Yes.
Parents wanted to know that what is your in-depth knowledge about.
Right.
Have you done training? And when it comes from you, that is the reason I was talking about in the early
Yeah.
stage, that because a person who has who have witnessed this,
Yeah.
उससे better कोई भी नहीं बता पाएगा.
Right.
जो यहाँ पर हम बैठे हैं, we can go online, read all the languages, but when it comes from you, it is all clear, crystal clear, because you've been there. That is the reason.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like it's a very multicultural. You will see people coming from around the globe, not just the local one, like people from the other European countries as well, and the other parts of the world. So you will see always like a different nationalities in Budapest. Yeah.
So, Anjum, now get us a brief tour about the universities, the top famous universities in Budapest. Brief about their tuition fees, and people wanted to know more about कि इसमें scholarships कितनी हैं, because आज की date में if I talk about UK specifically, 95% of the universities are giving good amount of scholarship.
Yeah.
Either you call them an international scholarship, academic excellence scholarship, bursaries, then the government scholarship. So there are a lot of scholarships in UK, and when a student have a low budget,
Yeah.
तो वो हमें आके बताता है that I have a low budget, and अगर उसका budget UK में नहीं भी बन रहा, so we recommend the other countries,
Right.
and obviously we will recommend Hungary. And then the story comes at the living expenses, which is the most important thing.
Yeah.
Ki if he says that yes, everybody knows that the UK living expenses
Yeah.
are a bit higher side if I talk about in comparison to Hungary.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So if you can give us a brief insight of the top brands, universities there, their fee structures, and the scholarships.
Okay, all right. So if I'll have to talk about like tuition fees, then it's for bachelors, it's approximately 8,000 euros for a year, wherein 4,000 euros a semester. And for masters, like entire program will cost you nearly 12,400 euros. So we do have a scholarships available, and scholarships up to 100% also available. So the starter scholarship will be based on more on your IELTS and the previous score. For example, a bachelor students applying for a 12 pass students applying for a bachelor's degree. So if that student has 6.5 bands in IELTS with no band less than 6, we can offer straight away 25% starter scholarship on the first semester.
Okay.
Now, if the student will perform really well in the second semester, then student can have up to 100% scholarship until the sixth semester. It depends on the previous semester grade, so which we call it as a academic or merit-based scholarship. Same goes for masters as well. So to have a starter scholarship, of course, you need to have an IELTS score. But for the second semester, to have a scholarship in the second semester, you just need to focus on your first semester grades.
Okay.
Yes.
And what about the universities? Can you name some universities, the famous universities in Budapest?
So I can say famous is like, of course, the IBS.
Of course.
Because IBS offers the UK degree. So if you will go and see the other universities, you will see, like, I don't want to, of course, say like, that this university doesn't
No,
offer that
absolutely.
or something like that. But of course, the universities, if you will see in Budapest, you will see all of them offers EU degree only.
Okay.
And their format is the Europe education format. For example, masters, if you will go to the other European universities or other Hungarian universities, you will see masters for 2 years. However, masters in IBS is for 1.5 years because we follow UK curriculum.
Yeah.
So the best part is, if at all, let's say, as a bachelor student, after spending 2 years, and if student says that now I want to move to the UK, to the University of Buckingham, student can take a direct transfer in the final year to UK. Okay, we do have few pathway programs as well. We do have a pathway with Dublin Business School, Ireland. We got a De Montfort University, and we got BHMS Switzerland.
Yeah.
So this is especially for the UG students. So what you can do, you can finish your 2-year studies in Budapest. Final year, either you can go to DBS. So if you will choose DBS, you will have a dual degree, IBS and DBS degree. Similarly, if you will choose De Montfort, you will have De Montfort degree as well, and BHMS in case you choose BHMS. Yeah.
Okay. Apart from IBS,
apart from IBS, there are many universities. See, Budapest Metropolitan University is there, and then University of Pécs is there. Debrecen is there. So, of course, a lot of public universities and a lot of private universities and private colleges are also there. But out of all these colleges, if I'll have to draw a comparison, I think there are two major points. A is, of course, the UK degree that we provide, the UK and EU degree. Second is our placement records. So, the kind of a placement enrichments that we offer and the kind of a testimonials that we do have. I've been sending the students for more than a decade now in IBS, and I have never seen an unhappy student.
Great.
And it's a really big deal, you know.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we know even if there is a small issue,
Absolutely.
and I think what student or what parent is looking is like, you know, number one, of course, the safety of their children, and secondly, that if there will be an ROI, if the degree will be
Yeah.
valid. So all these questions, I think, very well sums up here, wherein you can come study at IBS, get a degree which is top 154 in the world ranking, the University of Buckingham,
Correct.
and your living expenses are very very low. It's just 500 euros. See, agar master students, let's say, I will pick the starting package of 1500 euro. 1500 euro है और at the max आपका 500 euro का अगर expense है, you will still save a good amount.
Yes, absolutely right.
Right? And it's just the beginning, I'm saying. 2 years का contract minimum आप sign करते ही हो. First year अगर आपको 1500 से आपने start करा है, so after a year, like, you know, in the same contract, but once you'll finish off a year, your package will go to double. So अगर आपने 1500 पे start करा है, so you will get a 3000 का package.
Yeah, that's a good amount.
Yes, it's a decent amount.
So when we are talking about the universities, can you brief ki what is the eligibility criteria for students studying in India, जो Indian students जाना चाह रहे हैं?
Right.
Secondly, when you talk about public universities, तो how do we compare कि admission वहाँ पे tough है
Yeah.
public university में in comparison to IBS?
Yeah.
The eligibility criteria.
Mhm.
What is the eligibility criteria?
So
of
the
this?
eligibility criteria normally for Hungary is like they don't need the IELTS, okay?
Okay.
But they need the good communication skills क्योंकि like it's like a medium of instruction is in English, right?
Okay.
So you will study in English. It's not that you're gonna study in the Hungarian language. So eligibility requirement minimum 50 to 60%. Then you need to have a good communication skills as well. This is like regarding the eligibility. And if I'll have to compare, of course, it's a huge difference in the public universities
Yeah.
and IBS. So in IBS, let's say if we schedule the interview, you will get the offer letter in 2 days. Whereas in the public universities, sometime you'll have to wait you know, for a month to get the offer
Okay.
letter. So yes, so like the admission process in public universities is generally pretty long, but if you'll have to compare it with the private one or IBS, we are like pretty fast. Yeah.
And one more thing, when I talk about Hungary, even in the Google or a lot of search engines, Hungary has a mindset कि वो बहुत सारे medical students बहुत आते हैं जाते हैं वहाँ पे Indians. So why it is that? Why people are going for more of medicine or MBBS? Do you have any idea about that?
They go a lot for MBBS and also for the nursing as well.
Yeah.
And it's, I can say, a very recent trend, although like the fee structure in Hungary is pretty high comparatively to the other non-Schengen countries.
Yeah.
So for medicine, it will be around $16,000 to $17,000 for a year. And living expense, of course, it's low. But I think one of the reason why students are opting for the nursing program, let's say for the University of Debrecen as well, or maybe for the University of Page, because they are like the oldest and they have a big labs. बच्चों को practice, medical student और engineering student को बहुत ज़्यादा practice की ज़रूरत होती है.
Absolutely.
They need their big labs and all of that. So Debrecen or Page, they do have this kind of an arrangement जहाँ पर अगर आप जाओगे medical का student है, dental उसके लिए student है dentistry का, so you will see कि 4 floors की building है only for the dentistry. उनके practice lab है, उनके operation theatres है, so everything is there. So maybe it's more because of the infrastructure as well.
Okay. And when I was reading about IBS, I found कि जो उसका fee structure है, which is 6 to 7,000 euro, is it for a full course or for a year? Because right now you mentioned that it is somewhere around 12,000 euros.
So for bachelor students, 8,000 euros a year, it's the tuition
Okay.
fees without a scholarship.
Okay.
And for master students, 6,400 euro per semester.
Okay.
So you will have to pay for 2 semesters, which is like 12,800.
And apart from that, he can get the scholarship as well.
Yes, so if the student is ready to give the IELTS, you will get a starter scholarship.
Okay.
But even if you don't have an IELTS, but if you pay attention to the studies, as in on your first semester, you can get a scholarship from the second semester onwards.
I guess ये जो IELTS वाला fact है, because UK does not require IELTS at all if you have studied from CBSE and MOI. So I would say कि Hungary maybe when we will counsel students or people will watch this insight about Hungary. तो उनका ये क्वेश्चन 100% होगा कि क्या हंगरी में 100% यही गारंटी है कि अगर उसने आइल्स नहीं देना तो कैन ही गेट एडमिशन इन IBS if he has studied from English medium?
Absolutely. If your previous studies are in English or were in English as an MOI, if you can provide us the MOI, yes, you can take an admission in IBS without the IELTS.
And you require MOI for that.
We need MOI, yeah.
So अगर हम बात करें इंटरव्यू की, यूके यूनिवर्सिटीज में इंटरव्यू 100% होते हैं वंस यू गेट योर ऑफर.
Yeah.
व्हाट अबाउट इन IBS? और इसका एक्सेप्टेंस रेट क्या है? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ इंग्लिश दे डिमांड? और
Okay.
इंटरव्यू में व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस? यू कैन जस्ट गिव अस द जनरल आइडिया.
See, we have to ensure that student understands and speaks English,
Yeah.
because medium of instruction, as in when he'll come to the IBS, it's in English, right?
Yeah.
So basic interview we will take for the student, as in once you will submit us the documents. Even to education partners, we always say that ki please ensure that student knows English, as in ki ek basic understanding honi chahiye, wherein we get an idea ki student can study in English and understands English, right? Because वो सबसे ज़्यादा important है.
Absolutely.
And once the student clears an interview with us, then 100% student can get an acceptance letter from our side. Yes. There
So
will be a
इंटरव्यू इतना
once-
डिफिकल्ट नहीं
इतना
है.
difficult नहीं है. It's more of a credibility interview.
Correct.
So the first, when we will receive the documents, then we will conduct an interview. If we are convinced that student can speak in English and understands English, in that case we will give the acceptance to the student. After that, there will be a second interview at the time of visa filing, wherein then the High Commission, they just want to know that if you know about your course,
Okay.
why you're going for this course. So like a basic question.
So there are two interviews, one
Yeah.
from the university and one from the embassy.
at the embassy, yes.
और हमारा तो शुरू से ही एक्सेप्टेंस रेट ये रहा है कि इफ somebody is coming in our company for counseling, even for UK any country, we have 100% acceptance rate of interview. So कोई भी
Great.
application जाएगी, we will start from day one. हम उसकी पूरी interview preparation, even अगर वो cash shield पे which is AI interview
Yeah.
है या फिर humanize है,
Yeah.
so we always make sure that I don't think so in last 5 years हमारा एक भी student इंटरव्यू की वजह से they have been denied from High Commission
Wow.
or university.
Wow.
So we have a set of team where
Okay.
we make sure कि हो सकता है कि his English background ना हो, because India में there are a lot of different families में English नहीं बोली जाती.
Yeah.
Very few families are there where when they talk about English.
Yeah.
So we understand their background, we
Yeah.
respect their culture.
Yeah.
और even the application is from outside Delhi, so we make sure कि हम उसका telephonic Zoom call पे, and we have a team, so we conduct 6 mock interviews,
Oh,
so that once you are prepared and you sit in front of university, फिर there is no scope
Yeah.
of getting rejected because questions are very general.
Yeah.
बस एक student को phobia है कि
Yeah.
वो इंटरव्यू में क्या पूछ रहे हैं,
Right,
क्योंकि
right.
उसने कभी दिया नहीं है. And when a
Yeah.
consultant explain them, they give them a question, they give them a full guidance, I don't think so there is any factor they will get denied.
And I think this is what, as a university, we expect from the education partners, that they prepare the student, because I feel very sad when I see a rejection.
Correct.
And based on actually and it's like a very basic things जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अगर शायद consultants ने prepare करा होता student को, तो वो आराम से वो case निकल सकता था, ऐसा कोई problem नहीं होता. But I think this is the best thing, if you prepare the student, if you have a dedicated team who prepare the student for the interview, I think this is the best.
Yeah, even हम लोग चेक करते हैं हमारे जो when there is a success story,
Yeah.
we always wanted to ask student कि यार हमें एक review दो, so that what do you like about our services. और
Yeah.
from past 4-5 years हमने खुद notice करा है
Mhm.
कि हमारे को calls आए हैं, even Google reviews, Instagram reviews में बच्चे ये बोल रहे हैं कि sir we have seen a video
Mm.
from one of your student जिसने ये बोला कि that you help in interview specifically.
Yeah.
So अगर आप interview में because a student is a raw student, he is
Yeah.
looking a very good service and उसको नहीं पता बाहर जाने के लिए
Sometimes
क्या क्या
they don't
चाहिए.
know the direction
Absolutely.
actually. उनके पास शायद skills है but direction नहीं है.
Absolutely.
So but if you can show them a direction, so I think that'll be a great help to a student as well.
बहुत सारे students say English command is super high,
Yeah.
but they don't know how to answer.
Yes. they get
What is the
nervous.
answer High Commission is looking for.
Right.
क्योंकि अब ये नहीं कह सकते वहां जाके कि I will stay there,
Yeah.
I will get settled.
Yeah.
पता तो सबको है, but
Right.
nobody wants to. तो these
Yeah.
are the answers which a consultant आपको प्रिपेयर कराना है, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी बीन डूइंग, और फिर उसकी वजह से वी हैव गॉट अ रिजल्ट दैट स्टूडेंट आर गिविंग अस रिव्यूज स्पेसिफिकली ऑन इंटरव्यू.
Yeah.
That is a big achievement for us.
Yes, absolutely.
Secondly, I wanted to know more about कि एक क्वेश्चन और राइज होता है व्हेन स्टूडेंट कम फॉर काउंसलिंग कि पार्ट टाइम जॉब्स जो होती हैं, बिकॉज वर्क कल्चर सब जगह बाहर इट्स इक्वली सेम, वेदर इट इज हंगरी, पोलैंड और एनी शेंजन कंट्री, और इवन आई टॉक अबाउट the other 5 countries. So what is the work culture in Hungary? Like student is allowed to work part time, and secondly, if yes, then what type of part time jobs he can do in Hungary?
Okay, so there are two kind of part-time jobs that student can go for. Of course, we know where they can work in the restaurants or maybe something like this. But Budapest, comparatively, like if I'll have to compare from the other countries, Budapest में part-time jobs कम available है and full-time jobs ज़्यादा available है.
Okay.
White collar job ज़्यादा available है comparatively to the blue collar job.
Okay.
कुछ students ऐसे भी हैं जो part-time job कर रहे हैं but वो white collar में part-time job करते हैं.
Understood.
Okay, जिसमें they get their good pay scale also, and at the end of the day उनको एक कुछ सीखने को भी मिल रहा है. They're getting a good experience as well. So yes, part-time jobs are available and they are allowed to work 20 hours per week. They can take care of their living expense very well.
Okay.
But again, I always say one thing कि अगर आप अपनी स्टडी के साथ जॉब करना मैनेज कर सकते हो, आप तभी जॉब करना, क्योंकि बुडापेस्ट में एक्सपेंसेस एनीवेज बहुत कम है, राइट? सो अगर आप स्टडी पर कॉम्प्रोमाइज मत करना, बिकॉज वी आर देयर टू प्रोवाइड यू द प्लेसमेंट्स. वी कैन ओनली प्रोवाइड द प्लेसमेंट्स जब आपके स्कोर्स होंगे,
Absolutely.
राइट? और जब आप इंटरव्यू में अच्छे से परफॉर्म करोगे, वी कैन ऑफर यू अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर. एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू ओनली हैव टू पुट एफर्ट्स एंड you have to drink it. So yeah, we can provide you the placements, but ultimately it's you who will have
Yes,
to attend the interview.
This is master class. The reason is कि you know, lot of students wanted to work full time.
Yeah.
100% उनका main criteria है that they wanted to work full time
full-time.
only.
Yeah.
But they also wanted to, you know, they don't want to pressure their parents, or if somebody has taken an education loan, तो वो देना नहीं चाह रहा. But I'm super happy to know this क्योंकि end goal जो है वो white collar है.
Exactly.
And you are focusing more on white collar job, and itna surety that if he can, you know, study well, obviously he's going for study, and if a person is studying well, he's there for studies, इसने अपना masters खत्म कर लिया, got a good CGPA, and he's getting assurance of getting a full time job. Obviously on depends on the interview.
Yeah.
इससे अच्छी बात I don't think so कोई
Yeah.
है ही नहीं.
See, you imagine if Microsoft CEO in the Budapest, if he's an IBS alumni, of course he will recruit more IBS students
Yes.
under him, right? It's natural. So if not only in the Microsoft, you will see any MNC, the majority of MNCs in Budapest, you will see IBS employees on a high designation
Okay.
there. Yeah.
Got it. So great. Now, Anjum, let's talk about the visa process.
Yeah.
Because the visa process, if I talk about the Shenzhen and Hungary specifically,
Yeah.
how do the IBS will help students? What is the acceptance rate? बहुत ज़्यादा documents चाहिए, नहीं चाहिए, funds. इसका you need to give a very brief answer कि a student who's listening this, उसको कितनी वीजा इंश्योरेंस है, क्योंकि गारंटी तो देखो कुछ नहीं है.
Yeah.
In an immigration industry, you can't say that it is 100%.
Yeah.
But what help we will get from you? What is the acceptance rate? कितना difficult है वीजा लेना, कितना easy है? What kind of documentation is this?
Okay.
Tell us the whole process.
Right.
Yeah.
So first of all, for IBS, we have more than 98% visa success ratio,
Okay.
which is a great, 98%. Apart from this, we need very limited documents. So it's not that you need a whole big set of documents. You need to pay attention to the funding, as in, so let's say at least 15,000 euros keep in your account. Okay. And either it should be self-funding or parents, no siblings can sponsor.
Okay.
Okay, so you just need to pay attention. You need to apostille your last education, your PCC, and your birth certificate. That's it. And apart from this, you will get an invitation and the accommodation letter from the university. You just have to book your appointment in the High Commission, go submit your documents, attend your interview, and within 21 working days, you will get your results.
Okay, that's a
It's a
very
very
less time.
very
Yeah,
simple
because if I talk
process.
about Finland and other countries, I was, doing the research, and when we attended 2-3 fairs, it usually in Finland or some specific countries, वहाँ पे 90 से 180 days लग जाते हैं आपका result आने में. If you've heard about this.
Yeah. So here it's like just 21 working days. Also, IBS provides one more opportunity to the student. We do have our immigration lawyer as
Yeah,
well.
this is
So
what I was asking.
yes,
Yeah.
so in case if any student says उसको लगता है कि I want to apply the visa, but मुझे chance नहीं लेना है and I want to apply through a university lawyer. So आप हमारे lawyer के through apply कर सकते हो, जिसमें आपको upfront fees नहीं pay करनी है lawyer की.
Okay.
You need to pay a lawyer fee of 1,000 euros, but वो आपको after visa pay करनी है.
Okay.
Once you receive your visa, then you have to pay upfront fees. IBS will pay to the lawyer.
Okay, that's a very good thing. I mean,
Yeah.
It's kind of assurance.
Yes,
कि student को कुछ-
sometime it happens. I've seen that good profiles, but then they do have couple of rejections. Sometimes they have rejection from a Schengen countries या फिर किसी और country से उनका rejection है. So even अगर आपका Schengen से भी अगर आपका rejection, you can still apply for IBS.
Okay.
Yes.
And इसमें when you talk about lawyer,
Yeah.
they will assist with all the documents.
With all the documents.
On behalf of IBS, और
Yeah.
वो documents सारे consultant या फिर student directly, he can do all the requirement done.
So lawyer will send a checklist of the documents required to the student directly. Student have to prepare a file and send a scanned copy to the lawyer. Then lawyer will book an appointment and will let you know that this is the date and time you need to go and submit your file.
Okay. So 15,000 euros if we talk about, कितना वो पुराना होना चाहिए? Is there any source of fund required? Or you have already explained कि वो parents के account में ही चाहिए सिर्फ या फिर self? What about education loan? इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप बता.
Okay, first of all, it's not mandatory that you need to show funds like 28 days old या 60 days old. But जो एक requirement है वो ये है कि वो थोड़ा running account होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि just for the heck of visa you deposit fund और फिर उसमें तो अगर आप 50,000 euros भी डाल दोगे तो then also it's a straight away rejection, right? So वो थोड़ा सा एक maintained account होना चाहिए जिसमें कुछ transactions होनी चाहिए. Second, you can always take a loan, but then that loan sanction letter will not work as a show money. Okay, they are very clear that they need the liquid funds in the account.
So you want them to disburse it?
Disbursed it, yes. So once it is disbursed, you need to mention it very clearly in the cover letter that this amount we received it from from our loan approval. क्योंकि वो entry एक साथ आती है. Let's say अगर आप 6 lakhs लेते हो या 8 lakh लेते हो तो वो one go में ही वो transfer करते हैं. So this is something that you need to explain it in your cover letter very well. Then source of funds, it's not a mandatory document, but अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपका ITR strong है and it can support your file तो आप ITR लगाओ. अगर आपके पास ITR strong नहीं है तो आप मत लगाओ. Yeah, it's not a mandatory document. So जो mandatory documents है वो बहुत कम है. Okay, but then you just need to pay attention that जो भी mandatory documents, especially finances जो हैं उसमें वो अच्छे से maintain होने चाहिए.
Very true.
Yeah.
And then obviously your lawyer is there, your team
Yes.
is there to help.
Yes.
कि उसका अगर कोई भी problem है, I don't think so you guys will file. अगर
Yeah.
कोई problem है तो वो बताएगा उसको कि भाई this is, you can rectify the errors
Absolutely.
before filing the visa.
Absolutely, yes.
So now we come in the section where we talk about more of the career and the job, which we have already discussed. But this is a section where we wanted to know that once a student has finished his masters
Yeah.
and bachelor's,
Yeah.
how much post-study work visa he will be there for him. Secondly, usually when you have seen the life of students there, कितना time usually उनको लग जाता है to get a full-time job, and the amount you have told that 1,500, 2,000 euro are there. What about if a student has already done experience in India, he has worked in India, उसके पास already MNCs का experience है, and then he's planned for masters, or I'm 100% sure वहाँ पे भी एक skilled list होगी जिसमें जैसे आपने courses बताए, business analytics, engineering, finance, marketing. So what is the what in this segment, tell us more about the career opportunities for the student.
Mm-hmm. सी फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फॉर द पोस्ट स्टडी वर्क वीज़ा इट्स लाइक, क्योंकि अभी इनकी 2 दिन पहले ही गवर्नमेंट चेंज हुई है, राइट?
Okay.
सो आई एम नॉट श्योर कि आगे क्या चेंजेस
Correct.
आएंगे, बट एज ऑफ नाउ हंगरी इमिग्रेशन का 9 मंथ्स का था कि
Okay.
9 मंथ्स PSW
Got
प्लस
it.
IBS ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड 6 मंथ्स एडिशनल PSW.
Okay.
सो अगर आप किसी और हंगेरियन यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हो तो आपको 9 मंथ्स का PSW मिलेगा. इफ़ यू स्टडी एट IBS तो आपको 15 मंथ्स का PSW मिलेगा. सो ये एक वन ऑफ द डिफरेंस आई कैन से. सेकेंडली इट डिपेंड्स, अगर बच्चे के पास इंडिया में भी अगर एक्सपीरियंस है, उसके बेसिस पे उसे वहाँ पर ज़्यादा अच्छी जॉब मिलेगी, वो तो डिपेंड करता है स्टूडेंट के कंडक्ट पर.
Correct.
ओके, देयर आर लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स हु आर वर्किंग विद अस ऑन कैंपस,
Okay.
बट ये है कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी सबके लिए अवेलेबल नहीं है, और मे बी अवेलेबल है बट उनको ही मिलेगी जो उतने स्किल्ड होंगे या फिर जो उतने सीरियस होंगे अपनी जॉब्स को
Yeah.
लेके. सेकेंडली आई विल गिव यू वन एग्जांपल. बुडापेस्ट एक ऐसी प्लेस है जहाँ पर अगर आपको 100 ओपनिंग्स है ना जॉब की, तो आपको 70 CVs ही रिसीव होते हैं कंपनीज को.
Okay.
ओके, सो इन अ वे चांसेस हमेशा बहुत हायर ही होते हैं कि जो लोग अप्लाई करते हैं उनकी जॉब लगने के, क्योंकि बुडापेस्ट में हमेशा ही मैन पावर की ज़रूरत होती है.
Okay.
क्योंकि अभी बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है कि इट्स एक्चुअली बिकमिंग अ हब ऑफ मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज, एज आई सेड. सो जहाँ पर IBS है वहीं पर ही 70 कंपनीज है.
Okay.
Okay, in that whole of a business park 70 companies there. So अब जाके धीरे धीरे लोगों में एक वो अवेयरनेस आ रही है, wherein they are coming and they are moving to Hungary, या जैसे उनका कोर्स फिनिश होता है, now they don't prefer to move to any other European country, but वो प्रेफर करते हैं कि हमें बुडापेस्ट में ही रहें. एक उसका रीज़न ये है कि उनको बहुत अच्छे जॉब प्लेसमेंट्स है या उनकी सैलरीज हाई है. अगर आप यूके से कंपेयर करोगे, आज के टाइम पे यूके में 1500 या 2000 यूरो का स्टूडेंट के लिए जॉब लेना मुश्किल हो रहा है,
Very true.
यू नो. बट सेम चीज़ अगर बच्चा बुडापेस्ट में देख रहा है तो उसको मिल पा रही है जॉब. अगर यूके में स्टूडेंट के पास 1500 है भी, तो 1000 के आसपास तो उसका एक्सपेंसेस ही है,
Correct.
राइट? बट वहीं अगर हम हंगरी में देखते हैं तो यू सी दैट 500 यूरो का ही उसका एक्सपेंस है. तो अगर बच्चे को स्टार्टिंग वेज रेट पर भी अगर उसको जॉब मिलेगी तो भी एट द एंड ऑफ द डे वो कुछ सेव ही करेगा अपने लिए. यस.
And what is the benefit? Because I guess Hungary is in a part of Schengen country.
या
So would you like to explain कि अगर student वहाँ पे पढ़ रहा है, he can go to obviously those 26,
Yeah, yeah,
28
yeah.
countries to get a job. तो उसका benefit भी मिलता होगा
Yeah.
उसको?
So it's a Schengen visa that you
Yeah.
will receive, and you can travel across Europe. Of course, you can't stay there more than 3 months, but कौन ही रुकता है, when you're already studying. But जैसे weekends हैं या holidays हैं, winter break है, summer break है, so you can travel in any part of the
And he can
Europe.
also go and find full-time jobs in other countries.
Yes, you can. Once you finish off your program, even जब हम भी placements provide करते हैं, तो it's not that कि सारे students को बुडापेस्ट में ही
Very
मिलती है.
true.
It depends, because वो सारी companies जो हमारे पास आती है वो MNCs होती हैं. तो उनके पास जहाँ जिस country में requirement होती है, it can be anywhere in the Europe and it can be in the US as well. So it depends. So जैसे बहुत सारे students हैं, of course बुडापेस्ट में उनकी placement होती है, जर्मनी, फ्रांस में उनकी बहुत placements होती है. So it depends कि उस company की जो recruit कर रही है उनको कहाँ किस branch में opening है.
And another question which is very frequently asked by parents and students, students who are going in countries like Australia, New Zealand, like the other 5 countries, they know that they accept globally, their degrees are globally recognized.
Yeah.
And what about if a student is studying in Hungary?
Yeah.
He planned to come back to his home country, which is
Yeah.
India, and wanted to find a job in our home country.
Yeah.
तो उसका क्या matter of fact? I mean, how
See,
it is.
उसका benefit ये होगा, first of all I would like to highlight IBS study format. So we are more a practical learning and less of a theoretical. Okay. So अगर student वहाँ पर अगर 60% भी लेकर आता है, तो I think वो शायद यहाँ के मैं 80 या 90% मानूंगी, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा practical है. अब 25 to 30 students ही हमारे पास एक batch में होते हैं, जहाँ पर professor will interact with each one of the student. So in fact professor मतलब बच्चों को नाम से जानते हैं वहाँ पर, बिकॉज दे आर वर्किंग सो क्लोजली विद स्टूडेंट्स. ओके, सो बिकॉज प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग उनकी 70% है, एंड देन व्हेन दे विल कम बैक टू इंडिया, जो डिग्री उनके पास है इट्स ग्लोबली रिकॉग्नाइज्ड डिग्री. सो डेफिनेटली दे विल हैव इवन मोर ब्राइटर फ्यूचर आई कैन से, क्योंकि उनका जो बैकग्राउंड है या वो जो पढ़ के आ रहे हैं वो उसकी प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग लेकर आ रहे हैं, नॉट जस्ट थ्योरेटिकल एंड नॉट जस्ट द डिग्री. सो ऑफकोर्स इवन इफ यू डिसाइड टू कम बैक टू योर होम कंट्री, you will still, I'm sure you will get a really good package.
Great.
Yeah.
So to just finish all these talks, to wind up, my final question would be that in 2026 and the coming intakes, what do you think how the European market will grow? We talk about Hungary and the other European market, and what you see in comparison to other countries, कि इसके क्या क्या benefits रहेंगे, and why we should look in these market to tell student to counsel more students for Hungary rather than other countries.
See, I'll say this is the time for Europe
Yeah.
for sure, and wherein students are so aware of the opportunities. And of course, if I'll have to compare Europe with the top 5 countries, so nowadays it's like they are getting the same degree which they will get it in those top 4 or 5 countries. Okay. Apart from this, as I said, the job opportunities, your ROI, your safety, your travel time, and you explore a lot. You explore multi cultural environment.
Yeah.
You learn a lot. See, if you are only studying or staying with the same nationality, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा सीखने को नहीं होता है. But if I'm sitting in a room with 10 or 20 different nationalities, I will have actually a lot of scope to learn their culture as well, and they will learn my culture as well. So of course learning उसमें बहुत आई है. This is the time for Europe, and I'm really happy, I'm glad कि बच्चों को पता है कि उनका मतलब उनके लिए क्या बेटर है. वो अपनी रिसर्च खुद कर पा रहे हैं. वो रेफरेंस बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है. बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं IBS में जो मैंने ही केस प्रोसेस करें, जिसमें ब्रदर सिस्टर्स के हमने बहुत केस प्रोसेस करें कि ब्रदर पास आउट है, नाउ दे वांट सिस्टर ऑल्सो या कजन्स ऑल्सो. सो वर्ड ऑफ माउथ बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. रेफरेंस एक बहुत बड़ी बात होती है दोनों के लिए, यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए भी और एजुकेशन पार्टनर्स के लिए भी. अगर आप आज स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करोगे, सो ऑफकोर्स वो दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स रेफर करेंगे. Similarly, for us, there are a lot of students in IBS. They are working in the MNCs once they clear their studies. तो वो लोग फिर अपने और known students को
Correct.
या friends को अपने refer करते हैं. So
Yes.
yes.
Obviously, when you have a positive feedback, वो हर
Yes, yes,
जगह आपको
absolutely.
मिलेगा.
Yes.
So coming from you,
Yeah.
because you know the reality, we will definitely, what we will do is we'll organize an in-house, event,
Yes.
especially for you and students who are looking to study in Hungary, so that they can come in
Yeah.
huge numbers.
Yeah.
They can meet you. They can talk about the ground reality, the eligibility, and hopefully we can get them on spot offer letter.
Yes.
And hopefully this 2026 session will give a lot of applications to Hungary, and student will give us a positive feedback in coming years.
Absolutely, I'm hoping for that, and I'm sure even once you'll give us just the 1 student or 2 students, you can take the reference from the students.
Yeah.
I'm sure that 1 or 2 students will give you a lot of references.
Thank you very much for being
Yeah.
a part of it, and
Thank
I'm
you.
glad you have given your precious time.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you.
Krish. Thank you so much.